Hi, I'm Elizabeth Williams. I am the Director of Marketing at Tricap Residential Group. One of the biggest impacts we've seen is the ability to track and get real data on the conversions from the video tours. The impressions on our social media channels using the real links have doubled, and getting the exposure that we needed on our social media platforms and on our websites has just proven tenfold. Reeling's training is like Tricap's training. It is personalized, it is by department, or all together. You're not just signing up for a training class and put yourself on mute on Zoom. You get to interact with the trainers at Reeling, who are incredible and all come from the multifamily industry and relate back to real life situations and where our teams can utilize the Reeling technology. Our service team members are getting training with Reeling, and it is to talk about all things service and maintenance, how to record quick work orders that they can send to a resident, which will cut down on redundancy and time spent opening and closing work orders for our service teams. Our engagement team, which more aligns with the traditional property management role in multifamily, they are getting training on personalized video follow-up on renewals and welcome videos. We're 100% virtual at Tricap on our office staff. It is crucial that we still have that human touch and contact, albeit virtual, with our customers.